We went to visit the Aquarium of the Pacific in Long Beach, the largest aquarium in Southern California. At the end of the main room is a large multi-story aquarium wall. We then went to explore the multiple rooms and tanks with fish. There were also eels and jellyfish. There were other marine animals like birds, otters, and seals, and sea lions. We walked through a tunnel through the water. And saw another large aquarium wall. There was also a touch tank. There's an outdoor section with an open tank where we could touch sharks. And stingrays. There was also an exhibit with penguins. The Aquarium of the Pacific is a large aquarium with multiple tanks and exhibits to wander through.